How's it going? I'm here for day 144 of Fergus Gallus Film Tune Day 2017. I've got some fantastic Seamus dancers here with me, all the way from Leitrim. Roscommon? You're from Leitrim?
Yeah.
Excellent. Ryan, Grania, Lily and Anna. Yes, I remembered 4 names. We're going to do the Sally Gardens and the lads are going to dance. 1, 2, 3, Mighty stuff, guys. Thanks a million. See you tomorrow for day 145.
You.